Hey there, welcome to our HubSpot blog demo. I'm here to show you just how easy it is to get started. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the Content tab. From the menu, select Blog. Click on Create to start your new masterpiece. Here we are in the blog post editor. Start by giving your blog a catchy title. Then dive into the content section to add your text, images, and videos. Remember, engaging content keeps your readers hooked. Next up, let's talk about global contents like footers. Click on Open Global Content Editor. Here you can include footer details that will appear on every blog post. This ensures consistency and saves you time from updating each post individually. You can update the links to your website and even the social media links. Once done, click on the Back to Blog Post Editor. Let's talk about some key elements you shouldn't miss. Click on the Settings button. Here you can update the blog URL, author and tags, featured image, and meta description. These are crucial for SEO. Make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make your blog live. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog in HubSpot. Keep your content fresh and engaging and watch your readership grow. Just a second. Absolutely, you can use your custom domain for HubSpot blogs. Just go to your HubSpot settings, navigate to the Domains and URLs section, and follow the instructions to connect your custom domain. This way, your blog will look more professional and aligned with your brand. Easy peasy. Please give me a moment. You can post as many blogs as you want on HubSpot. There's no limit. Happy blogging!